Hey everyone, welcome to Error Genie. Today I'll guide you step by step on how to fix Epic Games Launcher errors and get it running smoothly on your Windows PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Reinstall Epic Games from Microsoft Store. Click on the Start menu and search for Microsoft Store. In the search bar at the top, type Epic Games Store. If you haven't installed it yet, click the Get or Install button. If it's already installed, skip to the next step. Step 2. Uninstall existing Epic Games Launcher. Press Windows plus E or click the folder icon on the taskbar. Go to this PC, then C Drive, then Program Files. Look for a folder named Epic Games or Epic Games Launcher. Right-click, then Delete. Repeat this in Program Files x86 if it exists there. Backup games. Optional. If you want to keep installed games, copy the folder to another location before deleting it. Step 3. Use Revo Uninstaller. Optional. Download Revo. Uninstaller. A quick search online will help you download this tool. Uninstall Epic Games, run Revo, and let it remove all traces of the Epic Games Launcher. Step 4. Clean install Epic Games. Always restart after uninstalling to clear any leftover files. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ES key or right-click the Start button and choose Task Manager. Click Run New Task in the File menu. Type msiexec.exe check. Create this task with administrative privileges. Click Browse, navigate to the Downloads folder, and select the Epic Games installer you downloaded earlier. Click Open, then OK, then Install. That's it. Your Epic Games Launcher should now install without issues. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides from Error Genie. See you in the next video.